Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to remove a certain name from a paper like this and place it by your own name. So this is an easy Photoshop tutorial, so without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, I want to remove the name of Elon Musk and put my own name or any other name. How can I do that? This is the layer where I want to remove the name, right? Okay, simple. I will put a layer from here, new layer, above it. Just one layer above it. Okay, and I will use the clone stamp tool. Click S and here it is, the clone stamp tool. First of all, if I want to make this circle bigger or smaller, just click Alt and right click of the mouse and move. Hold right click and move. Move right or left to small it, right to make it bigger. In clone stamp tool, just make sure to select this new layer because I will work in it. I don't want to work in the original layer. Okay, and I should tell you why. So what the clone stamp tool do? Just click Alt first and left click of the mouse. Now I take a sample from this region. I can take this region and put it at anywhere. I can put it here, and here is the name removed. It's really an easy way, but I want the layer or region where I pick a sample to be really near the region I want to be removed. So I will try this one and I really want it to be done. And take a quick look. I think it's good. Can't take from here. No. And put here. Okay, it's good. Now we have a problem. As I take sample from down, I take sample from the name of Elon Musk, and here is a little from the name. How can I remove it? If I do that over the original layer, I can't fix this problem. But as I put a separate layer, I can fix it easily by the eraser tool. Click E for the eraser tool. It's the same thing, Alt and right click, left and right to make it bigger or smaller. So I want to remove this one. Just make sure to select the layer of the clone and easily it's removed. I'll show you. I will duplicate the background and turn off this. If I use the clone stamp tool here, just like this, it's a rough, but it's for a certain reason, and I by mistake make the name appear here. So I will try to fix it and get the eraser tool. Now look, if I remove, what happened? I remove the whole layer. I can't remove what I do only. I remove the whole layer. So guys, it's really an important tip that if you use the clone stamp tool or the healing brush tool, just make sure to put it in a new separate layer. Now we do the first thing, which removing the name. So second of all, I'll need to put my own name. Here is my name. You should write your name in a white paper, and it really should be white paper. Okay, and I tell you why. Okay, first of all, you should resize it to make it as the same words. Okay, so I think that's good. And now here is the trick that I told you from my previous videos. If you want to remove the white background, just choose from these blending modes, these 5. And I think that darken and darker color is the best. I'll choose darken. And now here was the old name, and now I'll put my name here, and here it is, it's done. But there is a little thing. Look here, there is a certain part of the paper, because this part isn't white enough, it's have a lot of shadows, so it doesn't remove completely. So what I can do, it's really an easy. I will use a thing called mask. I click here. Here is a mask. What the mask does. Okay, it's easy. I will use the brush tool and do the same thing. Adjust it as you like. Alright. Remember that if you want to remove something or don't want it to be seen, the front color should be black. Foreground color should be black. Okay, so just click here, hold here, and here it's removed by this certain part. The black color, remove what it is above. Remove what is above. And the white color, as you see, I can see the whole layer again, the rest of it except this part which I removed it. This is the simplest idea of the mask. Alright guys, and here it is. Here it is, we just completed our mission. You can also try to, I think that the ink here isn't really like here, so you can try to make it stronger or like this stuff, but I think it's good. It's really not the best, but it's good. So guys, I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to our channel and support us to do more videos, and I hope the best for you. So thank you guys, see you in another tutorial. Goodbye.